You need to hear this if you're a stock market investor, broker, developer, or anyone interested in the future of real estate. I'm sure you've heard the news about the rising demand for sustainability. But did you know there's a golden opportunity lurking in eco-friendly commercial properties? Dive into a world where going green means raking in the green. In the heart of the city, picture towering glass facades that not only sparkle under the sun, but also generate solar power. Buildings where the very walls clean the air and rainwater becomes tomorrow's coffee. This isn't a scene from a sci-fi movie. This is the future of commercial real estate, and it's already unfolding. With cutting-edge research from Edgewise Real Estate Research, investors are seeing the undeniable benefits properties that command higher rents, attract premier tenants, and boast lower operating costs. Sustainability isn't just good for the earth, it's great for your returns. Statistics show that eco-friendly buildings offer a competitive edge, reducing energy costs by up to 30% and increasing property values significantly. And with increasing regulations on sustainability, the market is ripe for investors who anticipate the future. So why wait? The green revolution in commercial real estate isn't just coming, it's here. And it's a ground floor opportunity for those who act now. Join the pioneers shaping a greener, more profitable horizon. Because when you invest in the planet, the returns are not only financial, they're infinite. And remember, this research isn't just for companies, it's for individuals too, making it accessible for everyone to benefit from the green revolution.